Lisa DeHart here, 3 Minutes with a Maine Guide. Thanks for coming back. This week it's cornbread. So we got these wash buckets nice and hot. We're about ready to get those off the fire. And then we're going to preheat our camper kitchen and we'll go from there. Okay, with the cornbread, that's just a simple batter. We're going to take our mix that we made weeks ago. Might have to break up some of the lumps a little bit. Can do that with your hands. It got a little cold last night, so the butter that went in there, made little clumps, but that's not a big deal. So we're going to add 2 eggs. And about a cup of milk. And this is just the powdered milk. This is just the powdered milk and water. Simple, simple. So we're just going to mix this till it's nice and smooth. We'll whip this into a batter, and then I'll show you what that looks like. When you get to baking, you're going to get to know what biscuit dough looks like, what a good batter looks like, when pancake batter is done, what a pie crust is supposed to feel like, different things like that. You'll get it. It just takes practice. Okay, so just like before, this camper kitchen is nice and hot. We're going to take this off. We're going to spray it with Pam. We're going to lift this grate. And you're going to hear a nice sizzle when this cornbread goes in. And that's what's supposed to happen. You hear that? Put the top back on. Now, this is a batter. This is the first thing we've done that's a batter. So we'll try to get it fairly level here. Yeah. Now, we're gonna, just like everything else, 3 times. These sticks are going to catch and burn down. Or you just keep them going good till you want to peek. But it's usually 3 times. Those catching. Whoops. And then you're going to smell cornbread. So here is the cornbread. This is the thing about a batter. It wasn't quite level when it went on the fire. But all in all, just a very nice, let's take a look and see what the bottom looks like. The side's a wee bit, but that's not too bad. Let's take a look at this piece. It's nice and light and fluffy. A little bit on the sides, but that's not too bad. Thanks for joining us for the cornbread. I'm Lisa DeHart, and you just spent 3 minutes with the Maine Guide.